Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Serena. For today's video guys, kakain tayo ng dinner. Ito guys, vegetable salad with crabs. Yan na lang po ang aking dinner for today guys. Ayan, it's so yummy. Ayan guys, so yummy. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like my video. Bye bye. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.